Oh, welcome to Roost Vans again. Going over a build that we did that was a pretty partial build called Bosque. And Bosque brought us their van, and it already had some electrical work done, also already had some insulation work done, and some other paneling and so forth. So we ripped a lot of stuff out and kept a lot of stuff to better use their budget. They already had some of the trim work put in, but we went ahead and put in our rail system so that they could get one cabinet now with a vision later on their phase 2 of their project to have cabinetry on the ceiling on both sides. We also went ahead and put in our Roost Vans Fouquet bed system. We didn't add any flip-up kits on this bed panel system, and also we used hexply anti-skid material on this Fouquet bed system. We reworked their electrical a little bit, tested it out, verified it, and then also installed a sink cabinet with our Roost Vans switch panel. We went ahead and pre-wired the van to include a S-bar heater system where we have the wiring pre-ran underneath the passenger seat base, and they can install that heater easily at another time. We also put in a little bit of water, just kind of keeping it simple for this build. 6-gallon water tank with a simple small pump, and of course, as most of our cabinets have, a hidden kick plate drawer. For the drain out the floor, we modified that slightly to allow for the sink to drain, and it comes with a sink that has a collapsible water faucet. Of course, the upper cabinetry right over the sink has an adjustable shelf and locking door. Well, check us out at roostvans.com for any of your building needs here in Portland, Oregon.